party people. Hello, it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am here today with project number 1 from Peace and Love from Softflex Design Kit. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I hope this camera is bringing out a little bit more. It's doing a little bit more. Let me take them out of the bag. When I put these on the mat, my Canon camera just can't even function. But take a look-see here at this. This is giving a little more of what it really looks like. And I am here for it. So let's get down to the mat, get this party started. Alrighty, party people, here we are on the mat. Get these items out of this little bag. You guys, this is going to be the cutest little bracelet. It's going to be quick and easy and painless. It's a little strong bracelet. We are going to be using the wire that came in the kit, the metallics, antique brass color, medium from Softflex. Sorry, I had to have a little sip of coffee. Yeah, so this is going to be like super painless, easy peasy, super cute. All the supers. That's what it's going to be. So let's just get on into it. You see how my other camera is just like, not so much, but in the other one, it was like, bam. That's how it is in real life. Bam. All right, so we are going to just start stringing this up. It's going to be super cute. Let me see how many beads we actually have here. You know, after thinking about this, I don't know if I want to use the bail, but I might have to. I think I have to. So let's get that ready, because you know that's a thing that I like to do. Let's get that all ready. And to do that, we're just going to use some jump rings. So because of the way that this one is, the hole is versus the bail, I'm going to have to use 2 jump rings. So I think I have some Tinky Tots here. Tinky Tots, by the way, are 4mm rounds, in case you didn't know. I got some Tinky Tots, and I'm going to use those. Because I just run around the internet and make up my own terms. In my personal opinion, Tinky Tots are way better than 4mm jump rings, but whatever. And, oh no. I don't think our Tinky Tots are they don't work. Oh, just kidding. I was about ready to start panicking. No need to panic. It's fine. No need to panic. Okay, so I'm using 2 of the Tinky Tots because I don't want to give this too much length. And I'm actually thinking I might hang a little bead on it, but we'll see how she looks. Once I get her on there. Oh no, it didn't give too much length. I'm just going to leave it as is. Didn't give too much length, but enough to get through here. So, do I want to do the bicone here? I think I do. I think I do. Just like that, and then all the pink ones around. And then, how many of these do we got for each side? We've got 4 for each side, so I'll probably put those, once we start going these regular pink on the end, I'll put those on down here. That's it, y'all. That's all she wrote. Let's get this party started. I'm going to get into this wire. Get myself a little piece of this. We're not even going to need that much. Let me see. Yeah, that's probably more than enough. All right, so we are ready to rock and roll. Now I did decide to use this little lobster, and I'm just going to crimp right onto the lobster. So I put the lobster on there and the crimp tubes that they sent along. run that back through there. And then I'm going to get this positioned where I want it. Oh, that was the wrong one. I don't want to be wasting any of my wire, so I'm trying to get down here a little closer. I pulled the wrong tail the first time. So here we go. Pretty dang close. Okay, crimping time, crimping time. So I got my crimp on there, as you can see. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that these wires inside of there are not twisted, and they are not. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crimping tool, and you see how if you look through you've got two options. I'm going to go one closest to my hand right here first, and then the second one. A kiss and a hug, as they say. So first with the kissing. So what this is going to do is the reason you don't want your wires to be crossed in there is because when you push down on it, it's got that little notch. If you can see, hopefully. It's got that little notch. You can see that little notch is pushing up the metal. So it's actually separating the wire inside of there, and the reason that that is good is so that it doesn't rub together and eventually break. So this is what it looks like here. Okay. So then what I'm going to do, excuse me, I'm going to turn it sideways, and now I'm going to go in to the one furthest away from my hand, the hug. And sideways now, I'm going to grab a hold of that so that it's sideways. And I'm going to push down. But as I'm pushing, if you can see, as I'm pushing, I'm going to roll. The idea is to roll one side over the other so that it's a nice crimp. So I'm going to push, but I'm also going to be watching, make sure that it's rolling over. So here we go. This is what you get, and you can see that it is in fact rolled over the side. So now all we got to do is string this up. So starting here is where I want to go with these. And honestly, guys, I don't think we're going to need all of these hot pink guys. One, two, three, four. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I got to make mine a little smaller because I only have a little tiny wrist. So I'm actually going to take that bead off. I think I'll put this other spacer where to put him. Here, in between the orange and the pink. Okay. Here we go. We are ready. And we just start stringing it. Quick, easy, painless, fun, hot pink, all the things. Yes, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, we're on a roll. So my wrist is 6 inches, 6 1/4 really. So I need about a 6 1/2 inch bracelet. See how that looks. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I put the bicones over here by this little charm because I wanted them to fill in the gap in this bail, which is doing perfectly. And you guys, we're already working our way out the other side. Seriously. Super cute. All right, we're to the end already. And I know you're like, Randy, that looks kind of small. Let's check the little wrist. Once I get the end finding on there, which I'm just going to do kind of like a large jump ring situation, it's going to be perfect. So let me get a large jump ring from a sale. Oh, you guys, you know what I need to do? I need to order some like decorative jump rings. Well, I guess I have these, but those aren't very big. Just a regular old round one? Is that what I want to do? Excuse me. Is that what I want to do? Let me look in here. Look at this. This is better like that. It's the end of a toggle, but I mean, it's cute. It's decorative. I like it. So we're going to use that. We're going to put on our crimp tube. Put on the end of our toggle. Work our way back through a couple of beads because I'm crazy about security. Okay, pull it up there. Now, before you just go crimping away, we got to get gravity. Let me put these away. Got to get gravity involved because gravity is going to be working with you and against you. You want to be putting this together like this because this is going to be a bracelet. It's going to need to be in this shape. You want to make sure your beads are not too tight because if they are, you're going to start breaking beads and that's never good. Okay, so rough it up, rough it up. Got to do that. Then I'm going to adjust here and I'm going to pull this down a smidge, get it in the perfect spot where I want it before I just go crimping away. I want it to be able to have a little bit of movement in the loop, you know, not too much, but not too little either. And then I also still want to have the movement on my bracelet. So, I need to go down just a smidgy more. And then we crimp. We're going to do the same crimp as before. Now once I get a hold of it, I'm going to pull it up just a little bit. Get it in the middle of this wire, crimp, and you can see what it looks like. Turn it to the side, go in again with the crimper, crimp, and roll forward. Pull test, looking good. And we're done, y'all. Easy. Easy peasy. And then this little guy just fits on there. Is that cute? Oh, so cute. I want to show you in the other camera so you can really see how neon the beads are. One second. You guys, is this not the cutest, brightest little pink bracelet you've ever seen in your whole life? I mean, what? What? So good. So good. Yes. I don't know why my other camera doesn't pick up the pink, but it's so bright. I love it. I'll get you guys some photos. I hope you're all having a wonderful, spectacular, amazing beading day. If you are, try, you know, maybe if you're not, try this bracelet. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple, it's cute. I love it. And see how you feel after that. All right, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can find me on the internet again. Don't forget to like and let me know in the comments if you want to keep seeing these types of videos. I do get your comments. I try to answer the comments. If you can't get a hold of me, swing on over to the Facebook group, which will be linked in the bottom of this video, so that you can join up, show us what you're making with your Peace and Love kit from Softflex. We would love to see, have you, support you. Great community over there. So yeah, that's what we got for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.